Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Jules Glider Gun in the Skybox Creative Map. This unique item offers great mobility, and acquiring it involves understanding the specific rules of this custom island. We will go through the process step by step, ensuring you know exactly where to look and what to do to add this valuable tool to your inventory. First, you need to enter the Skybox Creative Map. From the main lobby, select Creative Mode, then use the correct island code to access Skybox. This ensures you are in the proper environment to find the glider gun. Once loaded, you will be ready to explore the custom landscape and uncover its secrets. Once inside the Skybox map, your next step is to locate the glider gun. This item is typically found in specific zones or may be available through a vendor. Carefully explore the map's unique landmarks and structures, as creators often place valuable items in prominent or hidden spots. Keep an eye out for any interactive elements. After locating the glider gun, simply interact with it or the designated vendor to add it to your inventory. This powerful item grants you exceptional mobility, allowing for rapid traversal across the map. Utilize its unique ability to redeploy your glider, giving you a significant advantage for quick rotations, strategic positioning, and escaping dangerous situations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.